Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail name. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to update your display name quickly and easily. So let's get started. Now start by opening your preferred web browser. After this, navigate to the Gmail and sign into your Gmail account using your email address and password. And once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the Gmail page and you will see a gear icon which represents the setting menu. Now click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Now from this menu, click on the See All settings to open the full settings page. Now in the settings page, you will see several tabs across the top. So click on this tab labeled as Accounts and Import. Now scroll down within the Accounts and Import tab until you find a section Send Mail As. This section displays the email address you use to send mail along with their current display names. Next to the email address you want to change, you will see an option of Edit Info. Click on it and a window will pop up with options for your display name. So you can choose to keep the current name associated with your Google account, or you can enter a new display name in the provided field and type in the new name you would like to use. And once you have entered the new display name, click on Save Changes. Now this section updates your Gmail display name, and this name will appear whenever you send an email. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.